Hey everyone, we're in a location that shall remain undisclosed. We've got a lemonade tree which is pretty well established. There's two of the locals up there. You've got a lemonade tree here which we cut back a while ago and got some shoots starting to grow out after the recent rains. Haven't got any lemonades on it though, which is a shame. So I was going to pick one off and eat it. Looking forward to that, but yeah, the next few months, one or two should come out, I'd say. Not to worry. Got an orange tree here that planted probably a year or so ago, maybe a bit more. It's starting to grow pretty well. Yeah, we should get a bit of fruit off that soon, I'd say. But over here is the real jewel in the crown, seemingly. Some Maya lemons, which was planted probably a year ago, and we've actually got one actually growing there already. Pretty amazing considering how small it is, but yeah, so this gets a lot of sun, it's had a lot of rain recently too, so yeah, good eat success, as I would say on that one. Yeah, just waiting for a few oranges to hopefully sprout from this one. Well, as I said, no doubt we'll get one soon enough to start growing. Yeah, I can't believe that lemon's grown there already. Yeah, but yeah, it's just a short little gardening update for you all. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll end up on the just want to make sure there's definitely nothing growing here on the lemonade tree. The shoots seem to be through a cobweb, of course. Yeah, no, definitely nothing, no fruit on there yet, but just say it's a shame because they're nice. They've got a nice sort of bitter taste to them, and they're very easy to eat. The lemonades, yeah. Oh well. Anyway, on with that Maya lemon, eh?